Hey, welcome to my page. Hope you subscribe. But I'm going to be doing a utility conversion to a camper. Right here I got an 8.5 by 16 V-nose. I got started so far. I got windows put in. There's the inside. Got the ceiling vents in. I had these professionally done because didn't have a welder and wasn't sure how to really do it. Because my first build was with 2x4s and 2x2s. But right now the only thing I'm really waiting on is insulation. I bought this pre-cut stuff, but it ain't wide enough. I can use it in some spots, which I will. And but here's my power box I'm working on since I'm waiting on my insulation. But stay tuned, and I'll show you guys how to for the first time builders like I am, because my first build I only had the power box, a 2000 watt inverter from Harbor Freight. I also had a charger in the DC fuse box and one battery, which was that one, but about two more of them, and they worked out pretty good, even though they were only 81 watt hours, or amp hours. But we'll get it. I'll upgrade them batteries later. So you guys take care.